Alright, I'm back on another Bougie on Budget. This is from a seller, not from the Yellow app, so much better quality, but a little bit higher price, so kind of just depends on what you're looking for. But this is a Gucci purse. It's not for me, it's from one of my friends. She really liked it, so I got it for her. Nice magnetic box, and you can put it up on your shelf for decoration, whatever. You can use it just for storing, or you don't have to use it at all. But it's a nice box. Dust bag. I always use a dust bag for when I'm traveling because it keeps, obviously, dust off, whatever, but it keeps them from getting other things on them, keeps them from bending, all of the above. But here's the purse. You can unbutton these things and move it down, move it to a shorter size if you want. You slide it and it makes it shorter, so it would be that length. But this is a horse bit, so that's what that is, and it just slides out to open. Then it's two big pockets in the inside, so 1, 2, and then a third in the back, and then a card holder in the back also. So this can be a good purse for dressing up, for dressing down, really anything you want it to be. And it's like a suede material, so it's not leather, but it's soft. But yeah, you can wear this with whatever you possibly want it to. It's about a mid-size purse, but this will be linked in my Vegans in my bio. It's been a while since I did one of these, but I got some new things in, so I'm gonna make up for it. This is Chanel shoes. They're these little flats with Chanel right there, Chanel on the inside, the like quilted type pattern, that right there. These might be a little big on me, but they got all like hard heel, so good sole, like they don't bend, but really cute shoes. Came in a nice box that you can put like up to make it cute, and dust bag. So these will be linked in my Vegans in my bio, and if you don't see it, just message me and I can send you the link.